Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of the Halfbike 2. Now, if you thought the future of commuting looked like a regular bicycle on steroids, think again. The Halfbike 2 is here to challenge everything you thought you knew about pedaling. It's like someone took a bicycle, a skateboard, and a Segway, threw them into a blender, and hit puree. But hey, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, remember to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we're just getting started, and you don't want to miss out on more hilarious takes on the latest and greatest in transportation. So hit that button and let's roll. Now, let's talk about this quirky contraption. The Halfbike 2 is not just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a lifestyle choice. It has an upright riding position, which, if you're like me, means you can finally maintain that posture your mother always nagged you about. Seriously, you'll be sitting so straight, you could be a walking advertisement for a chiropractor. Let's get into some specifications, because we all know you can't make a purchase without feeling like you've read the owner's manual, right? The Halfbike 2 measures 100 by 34 by 110 centimeters, that's 40 by 14 by 44 inches. And it folds down to a compact size of 105 by 34 by 52 centimeters, 42 by 14, 21 inches. At just 8.5 kilograms, 19 pounds, you could practically carry it around like your gym bag. Now, let's talk about the fun part. The riding experience. Steering the Halfbike 2 is like a dance with your own body weight. Forget handlebars, you'll be swaying your hips like you're at a wedding, but with less awkwardness and more balance. Plus, it's equipped with a 3-speed internal gear hub from Sturmey Archer. I mean, let's be real, this thing burns about 50% more calories than a regular bike. So if your goal is to get fit while having a blast, say goodbye to boring spin classes. And let's not ignore the design. The Halfbike 2 features folding handlebars, making it compact enough to fit in tight spaces. It's so small when folded that you might mistake it for a fancy piece of furniture. Just don't try to sit on it. At a retail price of $599, or around 540 euros, it's an investment in fun and fitness. It comes in colors like black, white, pink, blue, and green. Now let's be honest, there are some pros and cons. Pros, it's lightweight, offers a unique riding experience, and engages your full body. Cons, you may spend a few days looking like a toddler learning to walk while you master it. And let's be real, if you live in a hilly area, you might be doing more walking than riding. But hey, who doesn't love a good leg day? So check it out. And remember, there's a link to the official product website in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more exciting transport news.